Okay, guys. So instantly, like, this is going in the suitcase. There's no bones about it. Hello, my darlings. It's Dion Dean. Welcome back to another video. No thrifting today. I'm actually in preparation to go to Philly and thrift. No, I am going to Philly to celebrate the holiday season and go to the holiday party for Fem City, Philadelphia. I'm going to be going up a few days early because I do want to thrift and do some shopping. I've never been to Philly. So that being said, I need to pack. It's in the 50s right now that I can see, and I think in the evening it's supposed to dip down. But this is all about comfortability because the first 2 days, like I said, I'm going to be out and about in these Philly streets. So this video is going to be about moto jackets because I don't know if I'm going to be taking my full coats or my moto jackets. So let's go through my collection and yeah, help me pack. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the first moto jacket that I'm going to be showing you guys or thinking about taking. I love monochromatic fall looks, and so I'm not necessarily a matchy person, but this tan slash camel, now this is like a faux suede moto jacket, so it's not a traditional faux leather or leather moto jacket, but it has that style with the zipper and everything else. And so this is warm-ish. I feel like I can get away with this in the daytime. Yeah, the boots. Oh, so the boots are Journee collection, and I will leave a link. I actually got them in two colors. This color, which is more of like an orangey tan, which go perfect with this outfit. And what I love about these is that I actually kind of have some room. Journee collection does wide calf and extra wide, and so these are the extra wide that I purchased, but I'll leave a link to them below. Anyway, back to monochromatic looks. I love a good monochromatic look. For Thanksgiving, I gave you like a cranberry monochromatic look, and I think I actually want to try that cranberry moto jacket with this look, but I do like this. This is a vibe. Now the shoes, because my goal is to like shop, come back, eat, take some pictures, and then in the evening, like I'm gonna be going to dinner with some of the Philly femmes. So this would be good to kind of wear casual and then put on these boots for dinner. But they actually are very comfortable, but I wouldn't thrift in these. All right, let's check this look out with the cranberry moto jacket. Okay, so although I do love the monochromatic, I love the tan with the cranberry with the shoes. I think because it's within the same color family, because this kind of looks more brown than cranberry, right? But I do love it with the sweater dress and the boots. I love a good sweater dress. You guys know, like, I live in them. Like, when I'm on vacation, my whole suitcase is sweater dress and jackets. Like, that's it. And a good boot. You can really rule the world. Anyway, let's switch it out. All right, my darling. So let's play with color. So I have on this bright yellow turtleneck. I have on my orange pleated skirt, and I have on these brown, orangish, tannish, and black knee-high boots from Eloquii. So what I want to see here is I want to play around a little bit. So let's wear this one first. This is the same cranberry, and I kind of like this because I don't know if you can tell from there, but it's picking up that reddish color in the boots, and so kind of loving this. This is great for all of my educators that are in a place that warrants a moto jacket. But even South Florida, if it gets a little cooler, like my Florida Chicolinas can wear this into the classroom. It's appropriate. I like this. I like this. You're showing your personality, but you know what I mean? Like you're wearing some color, showing your personality and not giving the kids too much thigh. So I love this. I would absolutely wear this into the classroom if I was in Chicago teaching. Can you tell how much I miss Chicago? I can't wait to visit. But yeah, so I like it with this color. Now, let's see how it looks with black. All right, so the black moto jacket is a little shorter, which I actually love. So this is a bit more funkier, and again, because it's shorter, I leave, when it comes to like moto jackets, I don't close it up. So for me, this is fine. Some of you, if you want to close it up, like I've never closed it up. I've even styled, that's just not, yeah, I wouldn't close it up. I would put on a big scarf and kind of wrap it up and everything like that. But again, this is for someone who's like looking to be cute and comfortable in the fall, going to work, not showing any of their goodies. I really love this. I really, really love this. It's the length. So yeah, get a shorter one. Especially when we talk about body types, you see where this is kind of not necessarily cutting me off, but it's coming to like the thinnest part of my waist. Whereas the other one, since it was longer, it kind of drug everything down and made me look a little shorter. So this one is just perfect. And then I'm gonna put on the leather skirt because I want to see how it looks with the black on black. But yeah, I love a moto jacket. It's just so sassy. Okay guys, so instantly, like, this is going in the suitcase. There's no bones about it. Something about a pleated leather skirt, darlings. Just, yeah, so this is definitely a dinner outfit. I have like 8 dinner outfits. How many dinners and lunches am I gonna go to? I don't know. But I'm feeling myself already, guys. I'm feeling myself already. And I love that it's not just a plain black boot. I'm gonna leave a link to some embossed, whether it's croc embossed, these are snake embossed. I'm gonna leave a link to some of my favorite embossed boots, because if I were to choose between like all black, all tan, and embossed, I would get embossed every time. As you can see, I have like 4 pairs of faux snake, faux snake and embossed. But yeah, this is going in the suitcase. I love this. All right, so we know that this black one, because I can't take everything. I'm trying to leave space in my luggage for the thrifted finds. So this is going in the suitcase. Yes, the black one's going in the suitcase. This entire outfit is going in the suitcase. All right, my darlings. So this is what I am most likely probably wearing to fly tomorrow. We've already talked about how I look on the flight, okay? So I will probably wear this sweater dress. This is from Primark. Oh gosh, I've had this probably three or 4 years. I definitely got this before the pandemic. But sweater dress, over the knee, black boots, which I love. This is what I'm going to be wearing when I leave the airport. So I'm probably going to put on sneakers and then wear this when I land. So this is what I'm switching out to. We've already talked about how I fly, okay? So my thing is, this is a sweater dress. I don't know what a Philly 50s feels like. And so I don't know if I want to wear my big coat or, I'm feeling like this is what it's going to be with a scarf. Oh yeah, I feel like this is what it's going to be. Now the back of my thigh, I'm going to have to go to Primark and get some tights today. Maybe that'll be another video. Maybe that'll be another Thriftmas video, right? Frugal shopping at Primark. I think I'm going to go to Primark today. And I'll take you guys with me, absolutely. But I think this is how I'm flying. Oh, darling, please, 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 please. What purse am I carrying? Oh, we're doing all black. We're doing all black. This is what I'm flying in. How do we feel? But then, hold on. Don't make your mind up yet. Hold on. I got this micro suede one. It's not as thick, but hold on. Let's see if we break up the black with the gray. No, it's cute, but it's not. I need like a gray sweater dress. Again, sweater dresses are my thing. This would be good with a gray sweater dress. I'm liking this because let me explain why. I'm liking this because I'm going to wear it with another sweater. I'm already seeing how it's going to play out. Because again, I want to leave space in my luggage to thrift. Come on now. Philly got a lot of stuff going on. And I feel like there's some capes waiting for me. All right, my darling. So I actually got this shirt dress before I went to England this summer, but it was a little bit too short for what I was trying to do. However, with these boots, I still feel like it might be a little bit too short. I need some opaque tights, but when we're talking about packing a capsule, I don't want to like show you guys my hoo-ha, which means I need to wear tights and show it in the back. Do you guys see my hoo-ha in the mirror? Okay, so I'm gonna get some tights, maybe some leather leggings. I have leather leggings here. I don't know where they are, but we're talking about the capsule. I like this. I wish it was just a tad bit longer. Like you guys see in the mirror, like it's pretty short back there. Yeah, some leather leggings. Now, if I was going like date night, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is short enough for date night. But when we're just out and about in these Philly streets, yeah, I'm not giving Philly the hoo-ha. That's not what we're doing. But I'm definitely taking this as a look. I just have to find my leather leggings. Where are they? They're in here somewhere. I'll find them. But yeah, I love this. This is a vibe. All right, one more look, and then I think I'm done. I just don't want to overpack. That's my thing, because I have a tendency to do that. All right, my darlings, you guys have seen this sweater dress. This is thrifted Eloquy, and so let's see, because this would be such an easy pack if I'm just doing. Oh yeah, this is warm. Oh yeah, hold on. Oh, this is warm, honey. Oh yeah, this is good. Woo! Baby, 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 baby. Sometimes you look at yourself and you're like, sis, come on. Take time, man. Take time. Jamaican in me. Take it easy, man. Take time, take time, take time. Yes. This is going in the suitcase, guys. Yeah, it's going in the suitcase. I have one more look. So what's that, like 4 days? I have one more look. The suitcase is getting fuller and fuller. I have one more look that I want to show you guys. And then you let me know if I should take this last look. I do have another trip coming up after Philly. So I don't have to like, that's the only thing about living in South Florida is when I do go somewhere cold, I just want to take everything. Oh my gosh. This is definitely going up. This is definitely going. My question now is, do I need the big coats? Let's see. So in true Dion Dean fashion, I'm like stuck with my boot selection because I really love these. Did I show you? Yeah, I didn't show you close up. These are the Journee collection boots. So I don't want to like take 5 pairs of boots, but I'm stuck between these, the knee high and the thigh high. I think I'm taking the thigh high black ones. I'm gonna put on both of these and then you guys tell me with the jacket. Let's try them both. Okay, I have on 2 different boots, but I want you guys to tell me, you see what I'm saying? Like the emboss just adds a whole other flavor, but the heel on this, I kind of like the opening right here. All right, so sweater dress. Oh, I'm about to fall. What are we thinking? I almost want to do the thigh high because with this one, it's cute and all, but I feel like we need to see the thigh high. So let's change out this one and put on the thigh high. I do love this though. This is why I overpack. This is why I overpack, guys. Lord. All right, let's try on the thigh high. Okay, I'm officially sweating, but I look good. This wig is everything. All right, so here's the thigh high. Here's the knee high. What are we thinking? Let's look in the mirror. Let's look in the mirror. I kind of like the sliver of knee that's showing here. But definitely the jacket. So it's supposed to be all about the jacket, right? But the jacket is cutting off right here. And then we have the short skirt. And we have the knee. So it's just a matter of which one lengthens me out. Over the knee, or thigh high, knee high. Thigh high, knee high. I'll figure it out. Anyway, before I leave, I will figure it out. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my dressing room. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. I love giving it to you. And I'm really getting ready to thrift. So I need to say, which one can I thrift in? Both of them. Anyway, I am steaming. Let me finish packing so I can get out of here and possibly go to Primark. I need to go to Primark, right? So, okay. So, next video should be a Primark video. If not, I will see you in Philly with some Philly thrift. All right, my darling. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.